Dirty South, dirty. Gang, y'all really feel me? Feel it. East.
But would it be a Sophie Chanel video without a hair flip? Huh? No. Did y'all see that? Oh, no.
Now, is she worth it? Let me work it. Put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it.
Yeah, she is worth it, honey. Hey sunshines, it's your stay-at-home mom, Sophie Chanel, and I am back with another hair review. Yes, I'm back with another review, you guys, / tutorial, all of that. But before we get into that, let me go ahead and send a shout out to my Sunlight Sunbright subscriber of the day. Thank you so much for your support. And yes, you guys, so today's hair comes from Outre. This is their Passion Waterwave Feed Twist. And I did go in with like a little crochet method with this hair, but you know, like I think it's coming together. What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know what you're thinking about it. But yes, I have to also send a huge thank you over to Sam's Beauty for sending me over this hair to review. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. This one is going to be a brief video. I know I say that all the time and I fail. But today, your girl is taking strides to become better, do what she says she's going to do, be a woman of her word. You know, it's September, it's the month of my birthday, and I'm getting older. So I got to be wiser. I got to stick to what I said I'm going to do. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, y'all, so here I'm just showing you where I braided down these individual sections. These will give a semi-illusion part along the perimeter of the hairline. So just braid about halfway down, and then once you start cornrowing, you're gonna grab each individual braid as you get to that position and incorporate it into your cornrow. If I let you know, you can't tell nobody, I'm talking about nobody. Are you responsible? Boy, I gotta watch my back, 'cause I'm not just anybody. Is it my goal? Is it your goal? Sometimes I'm good, right now I'm not. Say yes or say no, 'cause I really need somebody. Tell me if that's somebody. Won't you pick me up at the park right now, up the block, while everyone's sleeping? I'll be waiting there with my tricks, my looks, my hat, just so I'm low. And now I'm just taking this double buttercream from As I Am and this oil blend, the Goddess Strength from Carol's Daughter, to bring some moisture back to my hair, seal it in so that it stays moisturized. This is a protective style, so you always want to make sure you take care of your hair underneath. And this is the look once I have incorporated that illusion method on the sides and the back. I didn't worry about the front too much, and now I'm just going through and oiling my scalp, and this is how the foundation looks. Say yes or say no. Yeah. All right, so this is what each individual strand looks like. It's very thin, very lightweight. The loop is very flexible, so it's very easy to install. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install. And I will say that I installed one strand to each individual box. And then on my cornrows, I install this about 2 finger widths apart in the back and closer to the front, 1 to slightly half of a finger width apart in the front, particularly where my parts are. And we are back. Yes, you guys, so we are back, and I am really loving this look. I do love this bun up look. Let me know what y'all think. Did you like it up? Did you like it down? The half up, half down? Let me know. But because I said I'm gonna be a woman of my word and I'm gonna make this brief so we can get up out of here, I'm gonna do it. So again, this is the Expression Twisted Up Passion Waterwave Feed Twist from Outre. This comes in the 18-inch. That's what I have it in. And it has 20 strands per pack. Now they ended up sending me 9 packs of hair, and I'm quite embarrassed to say that I use the full 9 packs with the exception of 4 strands. So out of 180 strands total, I use 176. Quick update. So I did take out an additional 20 strands, so I ended up using a little bit less than 8 packs. But I will say this hair is not heavy. Like, it's all up and I'm not like, you know, dragging myself. It's good. I love that this hair is super soft. It's so fluffy. You'll see this all, or you've already seen it when you watched the process. This hair comes in many different colors. I love that this hair is not hard. It's very soft. It's very fluffy. It's not heavy. The perfect length. This is like summertime, fall, spring, winter hair. So maintenance free. You don't have to do anything to it. You know, just decide what bonnet you want to wear. And if I'm going to go ahead and talk about bonnets, let me go ahead and plug in my girl, Deanna Monet. Go ahead over to her site and get you a nice bonnet so that you can preserve your styles whenever you go to bed at night, because we all know that that's super important. I didn't get any irritation from this hair. I did not do my apple cider vinegar soak on this hair, but no type of irritation, no itching, none of that. Everything else I feel like I covered in the process video. So I think that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions about this hair, please feel free to drop it down in the comment section. And yeah, it's almost my 1 year YouTube anniversary. Almost my 1 year YouTube anniversary. Hey. And so if you haven't already watched my videos where I talk about that, go ahead and drop in the comments. Let me know what are some of your favorite styles that you've seen on my channel. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.